Namaste. My name is Sajan. I am yoga meditation instructor. Thank you so very much for coming to this video. In this particular video, we will be practicing. I will share with you a very beautiful, short yet beautiful and strong meditation practice. Just 10 minutes of the practice, and if you do it anytime, whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel depressed, or you can do it every single day whenever you want to practice meditation. You can do this technique. Very easy to do, very simple to follow, and you will get the instant result out of it. You will be saying goodbye to your anxiety, depression, anger and frustration, and you will invite happiness and a focused mind into your everyday life. So this particular practice is purely based on your humming. I hope you all have heard about Bhramari Pranayama in yoga. Bhramari Pranayama, which is also known as humming bee breath. So the same thing we have to do here. We will be doing humming, repeated humming for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll be doing it. But make sure you have to hum using the entire capacity of your exhalation. This entire length of your exhalation you have to hum, and a little louder. Try to make little more effort into your humming, then only you will be getting the result out of it, and then only you will be able to calm your mind down, as your humming works same as the mantras are working, and your humming soothes your nervous system and allows random unnecessary thoughts, anger, depression, anxiety to go away from your mind, and you get a clear and a positive and focused mind. So for this practice, let us do it all together. Find a comfortable place for yourself. You can sit on a mat, yoga mat if you have. If you do not have it, just any of the comfortable place. Preferably you should be sitting on the floor, okay, making the contact with Mother Earth, element Earth. Then the next thing will be making a posture, any particular posture you can sit on, thunderbolt, cross-legged, simple cross-legged, one leg lotus, or the full lotus. You can go with any comfortable posture that you feel is for you. So during this particular meditation practice, as you will be humming, you will be producing vibrational energy, and that vibrational energy you will feel strongly along the spine. It will be flowing up and down along the spine. So try not to restrict the flow of the energy by bending your back like this, the curving your back like this. Just keep it straight as possible, as erect as possible. Keep your chest open throughout the practice so that you can take deeper breaths in, hence you can take a longer exhalation, and long time you will be exhaling the air out, and you will be humming with your mouth, right? You can rest your back of the palms on your knees, any of the mudra, Chin mudra, Gyan mudra, Dhyan mudra, any of the mudra you can go with, right? And while humming, you will be doing the humming with a closed mouth. Okay, so let us do all together, and let us say goodbye to the anxiety, and let us say goodbye to the depression and everything, and let us bring more positivity into us. Let us heal ourselves by the vibrational energy of our own humming. So make sure your back is straight. Very slowly and gently invite your beautiful eyes to close, mind to settle, and body to relax. So prepare yourself for this practice by taking a couple of deep breaths in and making sure that you're completely aware of your breathing. Watch your breath with your mental eye and take as deep as possible. Inhale and exhale as slow as possible. Throw all the stale air out and make yourself relax. Relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulders. Inhale deep and exhale slow long. Now we will begin the humming. You can either follow me, repeat after me, or you can synchronize your humming with me. And as you will be doing your humming, keep your entire focus, your awareness on your spine. Along the spine, you will feel a strong vibrational energy moving up and down. So feel it, be aware, and in between, if any external thoughts come into your mind, without fighting to your mind, accept it and allow it to go away and come back again onto your humming. So we all start together. Inhale deep. And slowly stop your humming. Eyes remain closed. Mouth remain closed. Set your breath free and experience the beautiful vibrations of your humming, regenerating each and every cell of your body, especially in your brain. Lesser and lesser thoughts in your mind right now. Mind is more calm, composed, focused right now. Allow your entire awareness to fall onto the void you see in front of your closed eyes. Focus on your third eye point with your closed eyes. and watch yourself sinking deeper, deeper and deeper into these beautiful vibrations of your humming. And let all these vibrations of your humming heal your mind, heal your body, heal your soul. Stay focused. Stay like this for a while. And now slowly and gently, by following my voice, prepare yourself to come out of this practice, to come out of this deep relaxation, and begin to make yourself aware of your surrounding without judging anything. Listen to all the sounds you can receive right now from your surroundings, without judging any smell you can have right now from your surroundings, any touch, and use all these inputs in order to bring yourself back to this physical world. And make sure you don't have to judge anything. You are peaceful. You are calm. You are focused. And now slowly, gently allow your entire awareness to fall on your breathing and start changing the dimensions of your breath. Make it as deep as possible. Inhale. And exhale slow and long. Inhale deep. And exhale slow. One more deep breath in order to bring yourself out of the practice. And exhale slow, long. Slowly raise your both arms. Rub your palms together. Start generating the heat between your palms. And with the inhalation, receive this energy on your face by covering your entire face with your both the palms. And we slowly take your palms back. Softly open your eyes.